Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Now I'm in a beautiful villa for the weekend, and today I'm going to show you the new flagship model from Huawei. So this is a Huawei new and the most powerful camera device, Huawei Pura80 Ultra. And we will have a quick unboxing and hands-on video about this new flagship image model from Huawei. Let's see what's inside the box and also the main features about the device. So this time for the Huawei Pura80 Ultra, it belongs to the Huawei Pura80 series, and the design is similar to the Huawei Pura80 and 80 Pro Plus. So this is the triangle camera zoom in the front of the box cover. Okay, so next let's check what's inside the box. And today we have the black shiny back panel edition, 16GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, now the Huawei Pura80 Ultra is in front of us, and it's well protected in the soft protective paper. And under the smartphone, this time to provide a decent case with the P Pura series element. They use the letters P as the detective design. And before we check the case, we find another small package. Here is for the user manual and SIM card ejector. Okay, so this is the quick guide in the package, and it's for the warranty and the main instruction about the features and the buttons about the device. Okay, nothing special. And also this is the cable. This time they provide a Type-C. Yes, it's a Type-C to Type-C cable. And the battery this time it houses 5700 mAh battery with 100-watt capable fast charging and 80-watt wireless fast charging. If you use the cable wireless charging, within 20 minutes you can charge in from 0% to 50%. Okay, I think this is all the stuff inside the box: the case, the user manual, SIM card ejector, cable, battery charger, and also the smartphone. So okay, let's put it back. This is the nice case this time, to provide a nice case for the Huawei Pura80 Ultra. And now let's take the phone, from the protective paper, so we can check the final appearance of the Huawei Pura80 Ultra. As I mentioned, yes, this time the incorrect classical triangle camera zoom design, and the frame, mantle frame with curved round edge design, and even the frame is also curved, so we get comfortable feelings when we hold it. It's just like the cobblestone feeling when you hold it on your hand. And let's adjust the brightness so we can check the this is the front side. This time they use the 6.8-inch LTPO OLED micro curved screen. The display resolution is 1.5K 2848 by 1276, and it supports 120 Hz refresh rate and 1440 Hz PWM bright adjustment. And first we can adjust the language, so we can easily get specification information about the Huawei Pura80 Ultra. And also this time for the glass, they use the second generation Huawei temperate Kunlun Glass is more durable and anti-scratcher. And okay, here's the settings part, the information about the device. It's powered by the HarmonyOS 5.1, and for the HarmonyOS, okay, so I will say it can compete with the iOS, smooth and fast, and also have a powerful multitask operating. And also this time it supports the 10-tone satellite communication and also beidou satellite communication. And so it supports dual beidou and 10-tone dual satellite communication. And yes, this time for the screen, the peak brightness reached to 3000 nits, and e-book mode is a eye protect mode supported as well. And yes, as I mentioned, the screen refresh rate dynamic high standard, the maximum is 120 Hz refresh rate, the battery, and also the HDR images. Okay, to enhance the display quality. Okay, this is the battery, 5700 battery. And we can find the RAM and ROM information, and it's the 16GB RAM, support LPDDR5X ROM, 512GB ROM, and UFS 4.0 ROM. Okay, curved screen, so get a nice display view. Okay, and also the Neo-Link, just like the AirDrop, and also the AI assistant. And now it's the most important part, it's the camera color style. It was the Pura80 Ultra is now the most powerful camera phone in the market. Of course, now it's the most powerful camera phone in Huawei all devices. Color style, new zoom, we can find the instruction videos about the camera photogenius. Yes, we can find the different mode for portrait, for fruit, for views, for skies. Have a powerful camera solutions for all these skins and circumstance. Now this is the camera. We can do a quick camera test, wide angle. And for the camera solutions, this time to provide 55 megapixel 1-inch big film RYYB sensor, and also this time have a unique technology from Huawei, 1 big inch film with 2 zoom lens. And this time for the telephoto, it's about 3.7 times 83 millimeters and 9.4 times 212 millimeters zoom performance. Both use the 1-inch big film. This is the beauty mode. And also for the wide angle, I forgot to mention, is 40 megapixel 13 millimeters lens. It's called autofocus, night vision. And also for the front self camera is 13 megapixel wide angle front camera. And this for the night vision, so it can get more light through the sensor. Then you use this night mode. They explained it, have a videos for you to understand the night mode and also the pro mode. In pro mode, you can freely adjust the host of advanced camera settings to get just the shoot you're looking for, and this including metering ISO, shutter speed, exposure value with white balance and focus mode, among others. It's super powerful, and also it's time to support the super macro mode from the camera. We can do a very quick test of the camera. And for the super macro, you support 40 times zoom for the super macro mode, but this time for the focus length is not 5 centimeters, so we need to adjust, and we can check. Okay, 40 times macro, super macro, and we can find the details of the clothes. Okay, very detailed. Yes. So with this super macro mode, you can find the details that you cannot see with the naked eyes. Okay, 40 times, 20 times. We can adjust to get the best details. And here they have more features besides the super macro: high resolution, slow motion, aperture, time lapse, also the light painting and panorama. So okay, I think we can try the slow motion, because near my place there's a small ditch. Okay, we can try to shooting the flowing water with a Pura80Ultra. Yes, my water is flowing, and I can record the video for motion. Okay. Let's check. Check. Yes. Get details. Besides motion, this device can support 4K, 120 FPS video recording, and for the super motion, 3rd generation, 2nd generation, the anti-shake improved a lot, and also for the main camera, the low light noise reduced 50%, and the dark details kept improved 60%. So this is much powerful and better than last generation for the night mode. And also this time to use the Kirin 9020 5nm producing technology. And for the Geekbench, the score is similar to the Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor. It's also improved 36% than the last generation. And also this time they control the dimensions and the weight well. The dimension about the device is 163, 76.1 and 8.3 millimeters for the length, width and thickness, and also the weight is just 233.5 gram. And also the difference compared to the normal is to have a camera zone ring. And now we can find and check the sample pictures about the Pura80Ultra. So hope you can enjoy my video. Let's attend the video for more. Catch up from here. Bye bye.